Today I'm going to show you how to manage fields in Kalysys. So if we were to take a look at, let's use an example of our jobs, and we wanted to create a brand new job, and let's say we wanted to create a brand new field down here. Today I'm just going to show you how to create a new field and then add it to a form. So if we take a look here, maybe I wanted to capture an internal notes field that's unique to my business. I'm going to click on Manage Records, and I'm going to find Jobs, and click into it. From here, I'm going to click on Fields, and we'll see that we've got one custom field in here. I'm going to go and create a brand new one, and I might call this Demo Consulting Internal Notes. Big long field. I'm going to go choose what field type I want it to be. So as you can see, we can create a lot of different field types, but for this I'm just going to make it a text area. I'm going to go, please put text in here, and the description will be internal notes field. I'm not going to make this mandatory, and I'm just going to click save. Alright, so it's just saving the field right now, and we now see it here as a custom field. Now at this stage we need to also add it to a form. Without adding it to a form, it's not going to show up. So we're just going to go down, and we've got ourselves an existing custom form. I'm going to click on Edit. Okay, next. And I'm just going to add in my Demo Consulting Internal Notes form field, and I'm going to add it to the Details section. I'll click Add. I'm happy with it being there. I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to click Submit. So I've shown you now how to create a field, and you can create as many fields as you want, unlimited fields that you need to capture, and then I've just added it to a brand new, onto an existing form. Now you'll notice that we can't see it here because we're on our default job form. And if I change to my ad hoc project form, you'll see now the demo notes here, our little description or help field perhaps, and then we've also got the placeholder text in here. So that concludes today's lesson. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.